Natural lighting is one of the most impactful aspects of home design. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal of a space, but it also offers numerous health benefits, boosts mood, and can even reduce energy consumption. One of the best ways to maximize natural light in your home is through the installation of high-quality windows, and Windows Mesa is the perfect solution to achieve this. The power of natural light. Natural light has a profound effect on the ambiance of a room. It creates an inviting and open atmosphere, making spaces feel larger and more comfortable. Research has shown that exposure to natural light can improve mental health, increase productivity, and regulate your circadian rhythm, promoting better sleep. Additionally, when strategically incorporated into a home, natural light can reduce the need for artificial lighting, lowering electricity bills. However, many homes fall short when it comes to maximizing the amount of natural light that enters their living spaces. Poor window placement, inefficient glazing, and outdated window styles can block the flow of light, leading to darker rooms. That's where Windows Mesa comes in. The benefits of Windows Mesa for natural light. Windows Mesa is a leader in window solutions, providing innovative products that help homeowners optimize their space's natural lighting. By choosing Windows Mesa for your home, you can take advantage of several key features that improve the amount of natural light flooding into your rooms. Wide selection of window styles. Windows Mesa offers a variety of window styles that cater to every home's unique needs. Whether you're looking for expansive picture windows, sleek sliding windows, or elegant casement windows, each style is designed to let in as much light as possible. Their expansive designs, such as large picture windows, allow unobstructed views of the outdoors and flood rooms with natural light. These windows are perfect for living rooms, kitchens, and dining areas where a connection with the outside world is desirable. Energy-efficient glass. Windows Mesa is known for its advanced energy-efficient glass technology, which ensures that natural light enters without compromising your home's temperature control. Their high-performance glass allows maximum light transmission while also minimizing heat loss and blocking harmful UV rays. This means that your home stays bright and warm in the winter, while still keeping cool in the summer. Moreover, the reduction in UV rays prevents your furniture, carpets, and artwork from fading, making it a smart investment for long-term home maintenance. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. The improved insulation properties of Windows Mesa windows go beyond just energy efficiency. The company's windows feature multi-layer glass that helps regulate the interior temperature of your home. During winter, they keep the cold air out while maintaining warmth, and in summer, they prevent heat from entering. This makes your home comfortable year-round while also enhancing the amount of light it receives. No longer will you have to sacrifice warmth or comfort for the sake of natural light. Customization for your home's unique needs. Every home is different, and Windows Mesa understands that. Whether you have a contemporary, traditional, or eclectic style, their windows are fully customizable to match your home's aesthetic and functional needs. You can choose from different frame materials, colors, and finishes that complement your home's design, ensuring the windows not only improve natural lighting but also enhance your home's overall appearance. Maximizing outdoor views. One of the primary ways to increase natural light is by optimizing outdoor views. Windows Mesa offers products that provide wider glass panels and thinner frames, which allow more light to enter and offer unobstructed views of your surroundings. The larger glass area in these windows makes them ideal for homes located in scenic areas, such as near gardens, forests, or lakes. By framing natural beauty, your home will feel connected to the outdoors, further enhancing the amount of natural light streaming inside. A sustainable choice. In addition to the immediate benefits for natural lighting, opting for Windows Mesa is also an environmentally responsible decision. The energy-efficient features reduce your carbon footprint by minimizing the need for heating and cooling, making them a sustainable choice for homeowners who are conscious of their environmental impact. Conclusion. Natural lighting is a simple yet powerful way to transform your living spaces, and Windows Mesa provides the ideal solutions to harness its full potential. With their wide range of window styles, energy-efficient glass, and customizable options, you can maximize the natural light in your home while enjoying enhanced comfort, lower energy bills, and a more aesthetically pleasing environment. Whether you're remodeling or building a new home, Windows Mesa is the key to bringing the beauty of natural light into your life.